eating, but let's do this. So it's like, hey guys, good morning. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I already started my day with drinking some lukewarm water and honey. And I usually drink ACV, and or sometimes I usually change my drinks. So yeah, I'll be having my breakfast around 8:30 or 9, around that time. Quickly I'll go and prepare breakfast for my husband, and I'll be showing what I'm going to prepare for myself. So stay tuned. So it's 9:30 right now, and I'm already having my green tea, and also I'm going to prepare some smoothie for myself. And guys, don't mind my oily hair because last night I had applied oil and I need to take my shower as well. So guys, the reason behind why I took this challenge was I need to detoxify my body. So I took up this challenge. I wanted to, and this is my first time as well. So I thought, let me do in front of you guys. So I'm doing this. Okay guys, to make this smoothie, I'll be taking this Oziba protein powder and one banana and this peanut butter and some almond milk to it. So into the blender, you have to add one banana and take a 1 scoop of protein powder to it, and then 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and you can add any milk. I'm taking this almond milk. This is my favorite almond milk, so I'm adding almond milk to it. You can also add soya milk or normal milk with whatever you use. Enjoying my smoothie. This actually saved my life. So guys, it's 10:30 right now, and I'm having coconut water. So in US you can only find only this kind of coconut water. So yeah. Okay guys, I seriously don't know why did I took this challenge, but I am seriously hungry right now. I feel like eating, but let's do this. So it's like, so it's lunchtime right now, and I'm planning to prepare some tomato soup. So let's do it. So to make this soup, in a pan heat some ghee and add ginger garlic and some green chilies, and add chopped tomatoes and add some salt, and let it cook until it gets softer. Let it get that juicy flavor, and turn off the flame and let it cool down a bit, and then in a blender you make it a fine paste. And then you, and by using strainer, just strain all the excess of water from it and add little bit of water and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. And then don't add that corn flour paste right now, just add salt and bit of sugar and some peppers, and let it boil for a minute, 1 or 2 minutes, and then you add this corn flour paste and mix them really well. So let it cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. So the tomato soup is ready. It's a bit hot. Good. It's so good. For this cold weather, hot soup is the lifesaver. Guys, I'll finish this up and I have some other work. I'll catch you guys later. Good evening guys, I'm just done with my workout and it's like 6, about to be 6, and also I am done with my skincare routine. And as a moisturizer, I applied aloe vera gel because it's now winter has started and my skin turned out to be too dry. So to keep my skin hydrated, I apply aloe vera gel on my skin. So it's almost about to be 6, and as my protein shake, I need to have protein shake right now. Whenever I work out, I usually have something like egg boil or something else. So today I'm not able to eat anything, so I'm going to have my protein shake. The one I'm using is from Oziva Nutrition. Before I used to use the protein and herbs one and it got over, so now I'm using the another one. I'll be showing it to you guys. So this is from Oziva Nutrition Superfood Green and Herbs with whole food multivitamins, and this keeps me fuller for the long time. And let's have it. 1 scoop of the protein powder, and guys, this is a plant based. It's really good, and it has a lot of ingredients in it. You can see here there are a lot of 34% of detox ingredients and 8 alkaline greens and 10 immunity herbs. So I'll be posting a link in my description, you can check it out as well. So for this I will be adding water. So guys, the taste is not that good, but it's filling. So I'll finish this up and catch you guys later. So guys, it's 10 o'clock right now and it's almost our bedtime. So I'm having milk and I have added turmeric to it. So I'm ending this video here, and I'm happy that I have completed this challenge too. So I'll quickly finish this and I'll catch you guys in next video. Bye. So that was a challenge, guys. I'm happy that I completed this challenge, and at the end of the day I was so tired and I was super hungry as well. At the beginning I thought I can do it, but it's really hard. But I'm happy that I was able to do it, and I was able to complete it. So if you like this video, please give this video a big whole thumbs up and do subscribe, share and comment. It's totally free, and I'll be catching you guys in next video. Until then, take care. Bye.